Hi everyone, have you ever thought of countable or uncountable nouns? They are everywhere around you. Now let's figure out what is countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are things we can count. They also have both singular and plural forms. For example, 1 book, 3 books. The next example is, my friend bought me 2 plushies. And the last example is, he lent me his 2 blue pens. On the other hand, uncountable nouns are nouns that we cannot count them individually, but they can be measured or quantified in other ways. For instance, a cup of water. The following uncountable noun example is sugar. I mean, you cannot count sugar, right? It is impossible for you to count that one by one. So, we say a spoonful of sugar. In a sentence, it would sound like this. My dad prefers a spoonful of sugar in his coffee. Next, we have is rice. It is difficult to count them individually, so instead, we use something to measure them. For instance, a cup of rice. To illustrate in a sentence, it will sound like we only have half of a cup of rice. Now, to facilitate better understanding, you guys can do this exercise where you categorize the countable nouns and the uncountable nouns correctly. You guys can do this by yourself, or it is always better to do it with your friend so you also can share your thoughts and to help understand better. We have come to an end of our video. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson about countable and uncountable nouns.